Home renovations in the USA have become incredibly expensive. Whether you are remodeling a kitchen, adding a new bathroom, or fixing a roof, costs can easily spiral into the tens of thousands of dollars. While many homeowners look at HELOCs or home equity loans, those take weeks to approve and require putting your house on the line. A personal loan is often the faster, safer alternative because it is unsecured, and funds can hit your account in days, not months. Today, I am reviewing the 5 best personal loans for home improvement. I have specifically chosen lenders that offer high loan limits, some up to $100,000, and the lowest interest rates available, so you can finance that dream project without breaking the bank. First on the list is Lightstream. If you have excellent credit, this is widely considered the gold standard for home improvement financing. Lightstream offers loans up to $100,000, which is enough for a major whole house renovation. The reason they are number 1 is their Rate Beat program. If you find a lower interest rate from another lender, Lightstream will beat it by 0.10 percentage points. They also charge absolutely zero fees, no origination fees, and no prepayment penalties. Number 2 is SoFi. Like Lightstream, SoFi is designed for borrowers with good to excellent credit and offers high limits up to $100,000. SoFi is fantastic because of its flexibility and member benefits. They offer extended repayment terms, which can help keep your monthly payments lower on a large balance. Plus, if you lose your job during the renovation, SoFi offers unemployment protection, which can temporarily pause your payments, giving you peace of mind during a big financial commitment. Number 3 is Wells Fargo. If you prefer the stability of a traditional bank over an online-only lender, Wells Fargo is a powerhouse for large projects. They are one of the few brick-and-mortar banks that offer unsecured personal loans up to $100,000. The big advantage here is for existing customers. If you already have a checking account with them, you can often qualify for a relationship discount on your interest rate. This makes it a very competitive option for loyal customers planning expensive renovations like a pool or a guest house. Number 4 is Best Egg. This is a great option if you want a lower rate, but perhaps don't have a perfect 800 credit score. Best Egg offers a unique, secured personal loan for homeowners, known as the homeowner loan. By using the fixtures of your home, like the new kitchen cabinets or windows, as collateral, you can often qualify for a significantly lower interest rate and a higher loan amount than you would with a standard unsecured loan. Their typical limits go up to $50,000, which is perfect for mid-sized projects. And finally, number 5 is Discover Personal Loans. While their limit is slightly lower, capped at $40,000, they are the best choice for mid-sized renovations where you want absolute simplicity. Discover is famous for its customer service and its no-fee structure. There are no origination fees taken out of the loan, so if you ask for $20,000 for a new roof, you get exactly $20,000 deposited into your bank account. They also allow you to return the money within 30 days interest-free if you change your mind, which is a rare feature. A final tip: before you apply, get a quote from your contractor so you know exactly how much you need. It is always better to borrow slightly more than the estimate to cover the inevitable surprise costs that come with home improvement. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your renovation.